Test your English with a 40-question mixed quiz. Only confident learners score high. Pick the correct option. Answer D, confident. Which spelling is correct? Answer C, idealistic. Which word is spelled correctly? Answer A, ideally. Find the best synonym of isolate. Answer D, separate. Which word is a synonym of lenient? Answer C, permissive. Pick the opposite of creation. Answer A, destruction. What is the opposite of persist? Answer C, give up. Choose the plural of datum. Answer A, data. What is the plural form of cherry? Answer D, cherries. What word best completes the sentence? Answer C, I am responsible for maintaining the equipment. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer D, he might have left his wallet at home. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer D, the performance was amazing and everyone applauded. What does for the birds mean? Answer C, useless. What does go great guns mean? Answer A, succeed fast. Pick the antonym of flatter. Answer C, criticize. What is the opposite of covert? Answer A, overt. What is the opposite of engorge? Answer D, empty. Choose the correct past form of partake. Answer A, partook. What is the past form of backslide? Answer C, backslid. Which is a synonym of honest? Answer D, truthful. Pick a synonym of insidious. Answer B, sneaky. Choose a synonym of heart. Answer D, cardiac. Which spelling is correct? Answer B, inevitable. Which word is spelled correctly? Answer C, colorful. Pick the correct option. Answer B, generically. Which option is correct? Answer D, obstruct. What is the plural of memory? Answer A, memories. What is the plural of latency? Answer B, latencies. What is the plural of synopsis? Answer D, synapses. What is the plural of fax? Answer C, faxes. Fill the gap. Answer A, she enjoys solving complex problems. Can you guess the missing word? Answer C, rarely was she so happy in her life. What word best completes the sentence? Answer B, he must have left already. His car is gone. What does skate on thin ice mean? Answer C, risk. What does keep it under your hat mean? Answer D, keep secret. What does run a tight ship mean? Answer C, strict control. Keep going. 4 questions to finish. Choose past form of spotlight. Answer B, spotlighted. What is the past form of overshoot? Answer C, overshot. Choose past form of lend. Answer B, lent. What is the past form of mistake? Answer B, mistook. How many did you get right? What was the hardest one? Comment your score and subscribe.